how to enable or disable auto volume control on Devant Smart TV. And okay guys, on your remote, press the menu button. Here in menu, go to settings. In settings, go to sounds. In sounds, go to sound mode settings. In sound mode settings, scroll down and you can see below the auto volume control. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, the auto volume control is disabled. To enable this, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. If this enable, activate to prevent sudden volume changes when switching TV sources. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side of this auto volume control. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully enabled or disabled auto volume control on Devant Smart TV.